welcome back to Miscellaneous concept once again, and to the very ending video of this whole C program from Zero to Hero course, or you can say playlist. And the ending topic that we are going to discuss is memory allocation. The golden rule of computer states that anything and everything that needs to be processed must be loaded into the internal memory before processing takes place. Therefore, every data and instruction that is being executed must be allocated some area in the main, or you can say the internal memory. The main or the internal memory can be allocated by two ways, that is static memory allocation, or you can go with the dynamic memory allocation. When the memory of, or when the amount of memory you can say to be allocated is known beforehand, or you can say before the compilation of the program, we know how much memory we need. That sort of memory allocation is called static memory allocation. And all the programs that we wrote used static memory allocation. We knew we have used these amount of variables, and these amount of variables will have certain amount of bytes that they would be storing. So we knew before the compilation of the program that this amount of memory would be required for execution of this particular set of instructions. And wherein in case of dynamic memory allocation, the memory we know is unknown. We don't know how much memory we will be needing uh, before the compilation. We came to know that after the compilation. And I can take an example. Suppose you need to enter the data of students and you don't know how many students you want to enter or how many students are there. There can be n number of students. In that case, we use dynamic memory allocation, and that uses some functions like malloc, calloc, and you can read them, you can google them if you want to study them, because that particular topic is out of scope again for this particular series. And you can see here, C programs conceptual memory map. This is the memory map. And stack, we already discussed stack in functions, if you remember how the recursion function uses stacks, and these are the stacks used for the same purpose. And then we have program code, all that program code memory is being taken from here. Then we have global variables, they have separate memory locations. Then we have heap, from where dynamic memory allocated variables are given memory. Okay, so these are memory, you can say, pools. For stacks, the memories given or allocated from this area. For global variables of global function, we use pool of this pool, or for program instruction we use this pool, and for dynamic memory allocation we use this pool, that is heap. Okay, so this was all about memory allocation. We shall be discussing it when we will be having a DS algorithm series. I am again mentioning that, but for now this was all about memory allocation. Now I would recommend you guys to go and check out our object oriented programming series, and that would be the next step of our programming in a programming journey. So bye bye, and congratulations for completing this series with me.